Don Omar, J. Doe, Rick the Villain, Busta Bust, come on. Whether it's now or it's later, and we always handle business, but we got getting this paper. What you need? As we walk through every gutter, every hood, and every street, and every block, we got it covered, throwing money while we in the club with shorties on the pole. Let's get it poppin' in this bitch. Me and my clique coming through. This how we roll.